to Kakay. And sabi ni Kakay, beautiful playlist, darling Hazel. Thank you, napapasabay ako sa kanta.
Okay.
Hello to your babies, Alfonso and Amanda, Melai and Fiona B, both locked in. Paul Saldivia, hello. Hi to Aries and to Queen Elaine, of course. We want to say thank you
so
as always
much.
for
Oh my
breakfast.
gosh, I can't. You are such a lifesaver, as always.
We love you, Queen Elaine. Good morning, Edward, and also to Lance, who wants to say hi to the Manila Bikers Club. Let's go, padjak all. Lahat tayo, pumadjak.
Ang ganda pa ng tono niya. Ang ganda.
Padjak, everybody!
Podcast.
Padjak one and all!
Ang ganda! I love it!
I cannot!
Ang ganda! Can we join
I
them?
cannot with you!
Can we join that bike
Oh
club?
my God, Lance, sasakaling kita! I swear! I cannot!
Ang ganda! Let's do it! With a tag like that, let's do it.
You wanna, biglang gusto mo mag-bike, no?
Gusto mo mag-bike bigla?
Gusto mo pumadjak? Gusto ko manadjak.
All?
Hindi,
Lahat
si Lance
sila?
lang. Si Lance lang. May tadjak for me. Ida Roda, may nasagasaan na po in 2026. Ay. And to Ryan, thank you for tuning in. At saya-saya nyo, ha? Hello to Hel Merito, to Reynolds TM, nabuhayan ako ng dugo din sa padjak. Isa ka pa! Padjak, gusto mo? Hello to Skillsoft, into Mike. Good morning. Mary Rose, Jessie. Let's see who else is here. Morning Star, 1987. Good morning, Sarah P, Mr. T, Ian the Wise, Morning Star, and to everybody. Vin, hello to you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, that's it for greets.
Okay. Let's thank Mike Ferrer for the topic. Hashtag #GetOuch. Let's start off with Mike Ferrer.
Number 10.
Alam mo yung finally, the one and only time that you made it to work na hindi ka late, you realize, wala palang pasok kasi holiday.
Buti na lang sa atin. Ano naman?
Walang witness.
Wala namang
Wala man tayo.
holiday.
Pero gets, like kunyari yung regular,
You know, because I didn't want to be late today. Grabe. So I decided, hindi na ako ulit matutulog.
ever.
No, because I was in bed so early. Like, mga 11. I was already in bed. But I could not sleep. I just kept twisting and turning. But, tapos, syempre, pag di makatulog, mamaya-maya, didilat ulit, TV ulit, maya nagko-color block jam ulit. Tapos, pagkita ko, 5 na. Nag-alarm yung phone ko actually. So, pa 5 na. And then, I fell asleep. Tapos, when I woke up again, para akong yung naalimpungatan, and yung parang medyo, asan ako? Anong oras? Ganon! Yung na-deep sleep ako between 5 o'clock and 5:30.
Ano gagawin mo kunyari gano'n, no? Yung naalimpungat, yung alam mo yung literally, you fell asleep at 5, tapos gumising ka ng mga 5:30, for example. Tapos yung paggising mo ng gano'n, you didn't know where you were. Pag mo, iba yung hindi masyadong iba, pero iba. Like for example, yung may anak ka na, may...
What the heck?
Oo, tapos asawa mo, isa sa mga ex mo.
Ay! Oh my gosh!
Yung-
What the heck?
alam mo yung
like
not-
alternate universe.
Like an alternate, like your life is not what the life you had when you fell asleep. Tapos it's super different, pero yung, alam mo yung hindi naman super different na strangers yung kasama mo. Like, it's the same cast. Pero yung parang nag-ibang swinging doors, sliding doors moment ka na doon ka napunta doon sa isang branch ng mga possibilities of your life.
Oh my gosh.
Wouldn't that be so strange? Tapos hindi ka sa RX nagtatrabaho. You're like,
Oh, wow. I don't know.
that would be, right? Like,
That
I
would be
wonder-
a trip.
That would be a trip. And you're like,
Parang gusto ko
excuse
naman.
me?
Gusto ko ma-experience. Pero babalik ako dun sa reality.
Dun sa
ko,
reality. Para lang
Pero gusto
matikman
ko
mo
lang
lang
siyang
yung...
ma-experience. Like yung parang mga in movies, yung di ba, you experience it for like, I don't know, a day or two, and then you go back
Tapos
to
pagtulog mo that night,
pagising mo ulit,
pagising mo,
real world na.
very, Outlander. Outlander.
Very 13 going on 30 also.
Yes. Si Katrina Balfe. It's a cult classic. Ano siya, parang ganon. Meron siyang nakitang parang, alam mo yung parang Stonehenge. Tapos, parang na himatay siya or something. Basta pagising niya nasa ibang... Pero ito more of not so much a
Pang
different
reality.
life, but like in the past. Tapos yung parang yung meron siyang husband in the present era. Yung husband niya, played by the same actor, ninuno niya.
Oh,
Parang one of the, parang great, whatever.
Okay.
Super bad guy.
ay,
Yung akala niya husband niya. Kasi nga parang like, ba't ka naka-cosplay ng lumang damit? Yung gusto siyang patayin. Yung mga ganon.
Oh my
Yung like,
gosh.
yeah, it's actually so good. Like, I've seen maybe one season. Like, pero ano siya, tipong like,
alam ko yung mahaba buhok. Highlander.
ay, iba pa yun, iba
As a
pa
kid.
yun. Oo, that's
I
also good.
remember
That's
that.
also amazing. Pero, ito, very ganon. Yung pag-isip, punta ako na sa past. And I'm like, ganon. Parang time portal pala yung parang mga bato-bato doon.
O para daw K-drama din. Some are saying parang click.
Yes,
Like the
parang
movie
ganon
Click.
din. You wake up in a different reality and you just took a nap. Tapos pagising mo.
Why not? I mean,
Right?
wouldn't you like that too?
Well, yun nga, if I get to go back, but what if
Pagising
you
ko,
don't?
no?
What if
Pagising
iba na
ko,
talaga?
pagtingin ko sa kanan, ikaw. Kaliwa si Baby Will. Tapos
Parang ano
nasa
yun?
ano tayo, Islenyo.
Wala, ano talaga yun? It's like an episode of Dark Reflection.
AKA Black Mirror.
Sinabi ko
Si
na
Chico na
naman.
naman kanina was telling me something off air.
I know.
And then he was like, at ang malala nito, alam ko na
Alam mo na.
agad. Yung sabi niya, yung parang ano lang, parang sa Dark Reflection. Alam mo yung, parang give up na ako sa kakakorek ng Black Mirror. Kasi at some point, tatawagin na naman yung Dark Reflection.
Ano ba
Like,
nangyayari?
I don't know. I don't know why you keep naming it Dark Reflection. Pala desisyon ka, marunong ka pa dun sa gumawa ng show. May sarili kang title.
And for Maxim De Winter,
Number 9. Number 9.
Get Ouch, yung nakikita mong palagi naman siyang online, pero hindi niya talaga ino-open yung messages mo.
Take a hint.
Yeah, that's...
Pag ganun, medyo parang ano na yun. Diba? Well, although, medyo tricky din yan. Kasi for me, feeling ko, baka palagi akong online. Because, diba, I don't lock my phone.
Yeah.
And obviously, may wifi ako. So, obviously, online ako. So, baka nakalabas din yung green button na online sa next to my name kung friends tayo or contact
Well,
kita.
ang mahirap lang kasi, obviously, kunyari, sabihin na natin ibigan online ka during the evening. Pero dadating yung time that you will be like legit online. Siguro ito yung tipong like never na siya.
Yung it's been days.
Like days or
Weeks, maybe.
Yung for sure,
In that case.
aninagan na niya na nag-message ka, nagparamdam ka. Talaga lang,
Or
hindi siya interested.
nakita mo, nag-message siya sa kilala mo.
Ayun, ganon.
Diba? Yung sa'yo lang yung di nire-replyan. Medyo ouch.
Yun lang. Diba? Or yung kunyari, yung kunyari dalawa tayong, ito pang pwedeng entry, yung parang get ouch. Yung imagine mo, we're both like obsessed with the same Lord. Kunyari Madonna. Kunyari announce siya ng new album. Tapos sabay tayong nag-comment, magkatabi pa yung comment natin. Go Queen! Tapos ako, Slay Queen! Tapos halos pareho naman yung
Comment.
comment natin na iba lang ng word or two.